Hello, hello, happy hump day to all my students. Minute 26, make sure your name is on your paper. Problem number 1, 3/4 times 3/5. When you multiply fractions, you multiply straight across. So 3 times 3 is 9, 4 times 5 is 20. So the answer to number 1 is 9/20. Number 2, we have 10 and 5/100, and we have 10 and 1/2. Are they equal? The answer is false. If they were to be equal, this would have to be 10.5, which would be 5/10, which would be a half. But this is 5 out of 100, so that would be, so it's not equal. Number 3, which answer is greater, 20% of 400 or 25% of 500? And 25% of 500 is the larger number. Number 4, we're ordering from least to greatest, so you should have 0.05, which is 5/100. Then you should have 1/10. Then you should have 1/5. And then you should have 25%. Because if you put them all in the same format, this would be 0.1, this would be 0.2, and this would be 0.25 if they were all decimals. So that helps you see that they're in the order from least to greatest. Number 5, negative 3/4 is equal to negative 3/4, and this is true. Doesn't matter if the negative sign's in front of the whole fraction or the negative sign's on top, they're both a negative fraction. Number 6 is just like number 1, multiplying fractions. Negative 2 times 2 is negative 4. 3 times 3 is 9, so negative 4/9 is our answer to number 6. What is the reciprocal of 3/11? Reciprocal means opposite. You flip it upside down, so the reciprocal is 11/3. Number 8, we're going to simplify, and we can divide top and bottom both by 8, and you get negative 1/3, because you keep the negative sign. You could also reduce by 2 and by 4, but I just did it by 8, because if you use the biggest number, you only have to do it once. All right, number 9, find the mean temperature. So you would add up all 5 days and then divide by 5, because mean means average. So the average temperature, the mean temperature was 70 degrees. That's for number 9. And number 10, write it as a mixed number. How many 2's can I take out of 9? I can take 4 out. What do I have left over? 1. So 4 and 1/2.